divide 732 by 6 in a long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 6. So we put down this 3 and it is 30. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 6. So we put down this 2 and it is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting, we get 0. So 732 divided by 6 is 122. So this much for today and thanks for watching.